Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the hatch is editable and visible. Unlock its layer and open the Properties palette so you can change settings. Next, use Hatch or Type H and click inside a closed boundary to select the hatch region. You need an active hatch object to edit transparency. Once selected, pause to verify its color, pattern, and layer because transparency interacts with color and plot style. So making those choices first prevents unexpected visual results later. Now you change the how. In the Properties palette, locate transparency and enter a percentage from 0 to 90. Lower numbers are more opaque, higher numbers more translucent. If you have multiple hatches, use Match Properties or CHprop to apply the same transparency quickly, which saves time and ensures consistency. Make sure to test display by zooming and panning because hardware acceleration and visual styles influence on-screen transparency. If it looks wrong, toggle region or adjust system variables next. To finish, regenerate the drawing with region and open plot preview to confirm printed transparency. Screen appearance can differ from plotted output, so this step avoids surprises. If the hatch still appears opaque, make sure plot transparency is enabled and that your visual style or graphics hardware acceleration supports transparency, because AutoCAD sometimes disables it for performance. If problems persist, run Audit and Purge or copy the hatch into a clean drawing. These actions often...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.